If you're tired of underpowered blenders that leave chunks in your smoothies or struggle with hot soups, you might be ready for a real upgrade. Today I'm reviewing the Vitamix Propel Series 750, a professional-grade blender with 4 smart blending programs, self-cleaning, stainless steel blades, and a 64-ounce container. But does the power and performance justify the price tag? Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the Propel 750 feels serious. This isn't a cheap countertop blender. It has a solid, premium build and a sleek black finish that fits modern kitchens perfectly. The 64-ounce Trident container is robust and dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel blades feel heavy-duty. Everything about it screams durability and performance, which is exactly what you want from a blender that's meant to handle everything from smoothies to soups and more. One of the standout aspects of the Propel 750 is its power. With a professional-grade motor, this blender cuts through ice, frozen fruit, and tough greens like spinach and kale with ease. Want a silky smoothie? It handles that. Craving a hot, creamy soup straight from raw ingredients? It can do that too. The blending results are consistently smooth and uniform, no chunks left behind. This is where a blender like this really shows its strength compared to cheaper models. The Propel 750 comes with 4 built-in blending programs: smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. These preset modes take the guesswork out of blending. Just select the program you want, press start, and let the blender do its thing. The self-cleaning feature is especially convenient. Add water and a drop of dish soap, run the cleaning program, and it rinses itself clean in minutes. That's a huge time saver for busy kitchens. The stainless steel blades are sharp, sturdy, and built to last. Whether you're crushing ice for margaritas or processing nuts into butter, these blades don't slow down. The 64-ounce container is a great middle ground, large enough for families and meal prep but not so big that it's awkward to handle. It's also designed for optimal blending efficiency, so you get the best results without having to constantly stop and scrape the sides. One thing I noticed is that while this blender is powerful, it's quieter than you might expect for its performance level. It's not silent, no high-powered blender is, but the sound is manageable compared to older or cheaper blenders. Daily usability feels great whether you're making your morning smoothie, prepping ingredients for dinner, or whipping up a batch of nut butter. This blender is perfect for smoothie lovers, healthy meal preppers, families and busy households, people who like homemade soups, anyone who wants professional results at home. If you're serious about blending quality and convenience, this model checks nearly all the boxes. Overall, the Vitamix Propel Series 750 is a standout choice if you want professional-grade performance with everyday convenience. It delivers smooth results across smoothies, soups, spreads and more, and makes cleanup easy with its self-cleaning mode. If you're ready to invest in a blender that'll last years and handle almost anything you throw at it, this is one of the best options on the market. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what recipe you'd make first with this Vitamix.